what it do, man. I just got a new fuel pump. Finna let y'all see that mud. I just got a new fuel pump. I'm finna go ahead and get it put in real quick. Come on, get over. Get over there. Let me show y'all the fuel pump, man. As you can see, you know what I'm saying? The location of my fuel pump is pretty easy, bro. All you do is take out the back seat, and it's right there. It's like a little knob. You twist it out, pull it out. Like on other cars, you gotta take out the whole, you gotta drop the whole gas tank and all that. Like, not with mine, it's different. So it's way a lot easier. But it's like a little cap on there, bro. It's kind of hard to get off, I ain't gonna lie. But other than that, bro, it should be an easy job, bro. But honestly, bro, I'm gonna see if the shop can take this little cap off, because it's like a special tool you gotta use. But you can beat it with a hammer too. You can beat it with a hammer. But I'm finna see if they can just twist it off. If they can, bro, I'll put it in myself. I can put it in myself, to be real. It ain't that hard, bro. It really ain't that hard. You just line up all the tubes where they go, and that's it. Dip it back up in there. Sure. Heck yeah. My gas hand be tripping on me, bro. It'll say it's full, and I'll run out of gas and stuff. So, you know what I'm saying? I need to get that put in. What's up, bro? I done forgot to vlog while I was in the mall, bro. I'm having too much fun, fam. But right now, I'm in traffic like a mug. When I say traffic, I mean traffic. Nigga with a capital T. That mud. Look. Woo. Y'all know this. If you stay in Dallas, you know this exit right here, bro. You know it be stacked up on this exit. And bro, I'm finna go ahead and try to put this fuel pump in. I done got my hammer, my chisel. I done got some chips for the kid at the park, bro. He said he wanted some chips, so I'ma stop back by through the park, hand him his chips. He wanted some hot Cheetos. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Go ahead and try to put this part up in there, bro. Yeah, stars on in the ceiling because they don't drain the battery, bro. I know y'all probably thinking like, damn, he left them on. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did. Alright, I'm gonna hit y'all back. Look at him. Look at that boy. I'm finna drive off with his chip. Yeah, you ain't getting them. Nah, bro, I'm keeping them. I'm keeping it. Hey, that boy, that deep, get it. Told you, quit playing. Got them chips, quit playing.
Hey, bro.
Yeah, quit playing.
Dad.
Yeah, I told you. Yeah, I told
What
you.
you recording of?
TikTok, YouTube,
Yay.
Instagram. Hey, y'all be getting a lot of likes when I post y'all.
Hey, go follow my TikTok.
I'm a follow.
At Pretty Girls Love _KJ. Follow my TikTok LSN Football 1.
Yeah, y'all.
No spaces.
Y'all heard them.
Go follow my TikTok at Pretty Girls Love _KJ. Go follow my TikTok.
Yeah.
It's Ellison Football 1. Forgot my football.
You ain't even tell them how to spell it.
I'm better than you.
You didn't even tell them how to spell it.
ELLISON.
What y'all doing?
FOOTDAL.
I was seeing if Levi's was in the car.
Oh, he at the house.
Can you go get him?
Y'all want him to come to the park?
Yeah.
He don't like me.
Don't touch me with that.
You like Levi's? Oh,
Don't do that.
I was just asking. Oh, y'all not in the same grade?
We is. I
Yeah,
call him Dookie Head.
for real?
I'm in 4th grade. I'm older than her.
For real?
You is? Because how you going to say you was 19 when you was on the phone, then go to 8th grade and then say 12th grade?
Oh.
That don't make sense, dude.
Oh,
Didn't
don't
I
be
say I was in
lying,
4th
bro. Don't be
Nah,
lying.
you in 4th grade. You 8.
They be lying.
I'm already 9.
You 8 like her?
Oh God, I'm 9.
Oh, he is 9. He had a birthday. Okay, when your birthday?
Huh?
When your birthday?
It was my birthday. Huh?
When is it? March.
No, July.
Still older than
Man, he don't know his own age, bro.
Better than
My,
Okay, and I don't
My
play
brother-
track or football.
you don't know your
That's
own
the reason.
age.
I play cheerleading. He can't even do the split.
For real?
If y'all
He can't do the
give
splits?
me 1,000 followers, Treyco said he gonna put me on a song.
Yeah, I got you.
If y'all give me 1,000, if y'all give me a million followers, I'll do my hair like yours.
Uh-oh, y'all heard him. He said that.
I cut all my hair off. I'll be bald if y'all give me 1,000 followers.
Oh.
Give me all that followers, I'll be bald.
Oh, he said, y'all heard him, bro. Get 1,000 followers and he gonna cut his head bald. I'm talking about, you gotta be bald like Michael Jordan
If
head.
y'all give both of us 1,000 followers, you'll both cut all that.
And you gotta go bald headed. Next time I see you, you better run up to the car with a bald head. Both of y'all. Yeah, Mr. Clean.
Clean.
I'm talking about a shiny head. It better be slick bald.
I should be able to see my reflection in your head.
Uh-huh. Ooh, she just cooked you. Fired you up, boy. Ooh, hey, look at him. What's up, bro? What you been up to? Where you been?
At least I don't get caught.
Where your bike at?
You
You like them stars, right?
He's
Uh-huh.
gone.
So,
Yeah.
Alright, bro. I catch you at the crib.
All right, bro. Huh? Well, he got the chips right there. He said he was gonna give you some. No, this ain't no candy. This tools. It's a hammer. That's tools. All right, fam. Y'all stay safe. Look, go get the chips from him. Go get it. Yeah. Yes, sir, man. Y'all see the kids. They trying to get that boy. They said, give me them chips. All right, bro. Man, I'm finna go try to put this fuel pump in, bro. I'm finna try to put this in, bro. I think I can do it. I know I can do it. So quit playing with me. Finna get straight to it. I'm talking about as soon as I park, I'm finna get straight to it. Boy, I got everything I need right here. Everything. I already know how to do it. This shouldn't take no more than 30 minutes to be real. Swear. Finna go ahead and get to it though. Finna go ahead and get to it, man. Let me swing up in here, park, and get to it. Yeah. We don't play no game when it come down to it. Okay. Get to it. I'm finna go and get to it. The kids calling my name. I done already parked, little bro. Already parked. So boom. Let me show y'all how to do this, man. This the new fuel pump. The other one right up under the seat, bro. Gotta pop the seat out. Boom. Right. Pop the seat out. Boom. Voila. Boom. Quit playing. I know what I'm doing. Let me teach you something. Follow me and you will learn something. Boom. You pop that out. Boom. Pop that out. It's only one hard part when you doing this, bro. One hard part. And that's twisting this off. So I'm going to get the hammer. I'm going to hit this. Boom, 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 boom. And I'm going to knock it loose. So give me some time. Hold on. Give me a second. It's the little hammer right here. Quit playing. I just got it. $21 hammer. Quit playing. Ooh. No games to be played, boy. Chisel. Let's get it. Got the latch off. I'm finna go ahead and pull it up out of there, man. Y'all give me a second. Here go the new one. I done popped this top piece off. I'm gonna take this out and reconnect the hose, the line. See where them three at? I'm gonna put them back right there on this one. And I'm gonna dump it back up in there. Dump the new one in there. Put this new O-ring on there. And I'm gonna see what's up. Give me a second though. Yeah, man, so I finally got it out, bro. Be careful with this part when you take it out. Pour the gas back in there, cause that's gonna be full of gas. Dang. But man, I done pulled the tube so hard, man. Gas done flew in my face and everything. But I'm finna go ahead and put this one up in there. Reconnect these hoses. And yeah, man, we should be good, bro. Yeah, bro, that's the gas tank. Yeah, I'm finna get this done. So the problem was, I don't even want to let these tubes go. But the problem was, you see this little ball right here? See it squeaky? It's loud. That reads the gas, bro, and it tell me if it's full or empty on the dash. But the problem I was having was it'll say it's full, but really I'm running out of gas, so I don't even know if I'm, you know what I'm saying? I'm driving, the car cut off, but it say I got half a tank. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, that's the problem. I'm finna go and put this one up in there. To the right. Oh, gas all up in there. All right, let me see. Stop it. Just like Tag, I touch them. I am colder than some ice, though. Come here, come get this. Come get all this. Take this little red thing off. Yeah, see. All these parts connect all these lines.
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta put this O-ring. I connected these 3 lines right here. Connect this one up in there. Make sure you change the O-ring. And yeah, that's about it. Alright, so shoot, I done got the new O-ring on there and everything. It's connected. I'm finna go ahead and put it down, push it down. Boom. And then put the little metal thing back on there, twist it around, connect it. And we should be good. See if I can hear this mud. Hold on. Alright, it's on. Let the gas get up in there. Alright, y'all, so I'm finna go ahead and twist that all the way back around, tighten it up, grab my seat, put my seat back in here, and shoot, I'm good to go. I can hear it flowing good and everything. So yeah, man, fuel pump changed successfully. As you can see, back seat back in. You know what I'm saying? We good. Pump up in there. You know. Yeah, sure. I done changed the fuel pump, bro. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't even hard. It wasn't hard like I thought it would be. But yeah, bro, stay tuned, my nigga, stay tuned. I told you I'm finna keep dropping content. I really been doing stuff like this. I just never recorded it. I've been doing stuff like this forever, but I just didn't never record all that stuff. So I'm like, damn, I coulda been recording everything, bro. But sure, bro, hey, now I'm letting y'all see what I be doing, what I be up to, you know what I'm saying? The life of Treyco, I just be in my own world, you know what I'm talking about? Bling, bling. You see them diamonds? Quit playing, yeah. Dancing on you. Yeah. But man, yeah, stay tuned. More stuff coming soon. Comment, drop a comment, subscribe, and like the video. That's it.